Here's the Gamo Varmint Hunter. Once again, here's a close-up of it. Very, very wonderful weapon. No problems with it whatsoever. It can take some fairly big game, and of course it is a spring-action pellet rifle. That being said, it takes a 177 caliber pellet and shoots it downrange at 1,000 feet per second. But if you use PBA Raptor ammo, which is performance ballistic alloy pellets, it goes 1,200 feet per second. It actually breaks the speed of sound, so it sounds like a real .22. It can really piss your neighbors off sometimes if you live close, but I don't really have that problem. My neighbors are cool with it. At 100 feet, it'll still rip through two sides of a coffee can. 150 feet, same thing. At 200 feet, I'm not sure, but it should at least go through one side. Now, we got some caps on the scope here. We'll remove them. Hopefully you can see the scope. Break barrel. .177 caliber. And if you pick up a cleaning kit for your Gamo Varmint Hunter, it increases the speed or the velocity of your pellet gun. You can do it with any pellet gun, but I love doing it with the Varmint Hunter because then your normal pellets you get from Canadian Tire or Walmart actually break the sound barrier as well, which means they're going 1,200 feet per second. And then if you shoot PBA ammo, they're going like 1,400 feet per second. So it shoots fast. And when you clean it, if you don't clean it in a while, when you do clean it, make sure you put lots of oil, even in areas like where the screws are, especially for outside shooting, and all around that area there. You could drop some down in the hole back here and put some around your trigger mechanism, but don't oil your scope, because, well, even with real firearms you don't do that. Your stock, you can throw a light coating on that so it stays black color, not gray, because if you don't oil it and you're outside shooting and hunting with it, then it changes color eventually. I've had this for about a year now, and well, it's great.